Ever think you need massive strobes or pricey lights to get killer shots in the studio? Think again. Speedlights can seriously deliver. Let's bust the myth that speedlights are just for on-camera event shots. In this video, I'm gonna show you 3 different looks using nothing but speedlights, 2 with bare flash, and 1 with a simple $20 umbrella. Let's break this all down and let's cover todo el pedo. For this first look, I'm aiming for a bold hardlight editorial vibe. I've set an FJ80 Mark II speedlight on an easy boom, which makes it super easy to adjust the light up and down as needed. Now, if you don't have an easy boom, no worries. You can still achieve this look with a Shorty extension arm to get that light positioned high and above your subject for that beautiful butterfly hardlight look. For this next setup, I'm still rocking a bare speedlight and I switched to the Westcott FJ80 SE, and I wanted to go completely opposite. Going from hard light, I wanted to now go for something soft, a natural light look, almost like if light was pouring in from a big window. Now to pull this off, I aimed my Westcott FJ80 SE at a plain white wall to create a large light source, creating that beautiful soft light that I wanted. Now to keep those shadows in check though, because the light was coming in from the right side, I added a V-flat on the opposite side to bounce some light back in and fill in those shadows. For this final look, I wanted to create a budget-friendly version of my go-to setup in the studio. If you've seen my work, you know I usually rely on the FJ400 and the 50-30-inch silver deep umbrella, my signature moneymaker setup. But to switch things up, I used the FJ80 Mark II with a $20 Westcott shoot-through 43-inch translucent umbrella. Now I angled this downwards to keep that background from getting too bright, aiming for a soft gray tone background. I also placed 2 V-flats on the sides using the black side to control the light spread and to boost that contrast. And to finish it off, I added a silver reflector at the bottom for some extra fill. If you're on the market for some speedlights, Westcott has some amazing round head speedlights. They do have the FJ80 SE, which is a budget-friendly speedlight coming in at about $200. Now, if you're somebody that loves to have the physical buttons, this speedlight is the one to go to because it has all the physical buttons. And what's cool is that you have host mode, so you can control other lights. You can use it on camera as a speedlight, and then of course you can use it off camera. The other roundhead speedlight that Westcott offers is the FJ80 Mark II, which is a touchscreen interface, which is super duper easy to use. This one comes in around $340. So if you are in the market, you have 2 great options. And I do wanna thank Westcott for sponsoring this video. And please let me know in the comment section, what was your favorite setup? Number 1, 2, or 3. Now, if you guys enjoyed this video, I've got even more behind the scenes content with different light setups waiting for you. Have a beautiful day, guys, and I will catch you in the next one.